Find the region representing y greater than -1 and less than or equal to 3. So, first draw the lines y is equal to -1 and y is equal to 3 on the same axis. So draw a set of axes, label this one x and this one y. I haven't put too many numbers on so that it doesn't look too cluttered. Right, where is the line y is equal to -1? Well, everywhere here along this line here, the y coordinate will always be -1. And because we are going to consider not equal to, that line needs to be drawn, dotted, making sure that you've labelled it at one end. And then also we draw the line y is equal to 3. Okay, the line is dashed as the inequality is not equal to, so we're going to draw the line y is equal to 3, and that's a solid line because it can be equal to 3 as well. Notice that this is every y coordinate along this line is 3, regardless of the x coordinate. Right, for the shading, okay, it's solid because the inequality is equal to. For the shading, we could test a point, just test this one. For this one here, 0 is less than 3, so below this line would be in the region. Therefore, we shade the unwanted region, which is upwards. And then for -1, 0 is greater than -1, so that would be in the region. Therefore, we would shade this side of that line, y is equal to -1. Make sure your shading is perpendicular to the line that you have drawn. So always shade the unwanted region, so that's going to be this region here, and this region here, and the region not shaded represents the inequality y is greater than -1, but less than or equal to 3. The points on this line are in the region, the points in this line are not in the region. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find a shaded region on a graph, or a region defined by a graph. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.